Welcome to this Getting Started guide to the error report function in Airt Excel Add-in. This function lets you generate a report of all errors in a specified file, and it creates links to each of those errors, so you can immediately go and fix the problem causing the error. Excel has its own built-in error checker, which is fine for checking one at a time within each sheet. If you have large spreadsheets, this will take a long time to check for integrity. Let's see what the Airt add-in can find in this example. We just need to select the file from the drop-down. You can see Airt creates a new spreadsheet with a report of all the errors. This is showing the sheet within the file, cell reference, what's actually typed in the formula, the result that's generating, and then a link to the error itself. So I can go ahead and fix the error or use the Excel error fixer to correct. Just going back to the error report, you can see some other errors here. So this cell reference to an external file being broken. These cells here you can see are coloured red with reference, which shows the link within the spreadsheet is broken. Again, you could just jump to these. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how the error report within Airt Excel Add-in could maybe help, particularly with some of your larger files such as financial models. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, please download the free trial of Airt and try it out for yourself.